Hi, we're at the KitPlus Show in Media City and I'm on the DigiBox stand joined by John. Hi, John.
Hi, how's it going?
Very good. Now, John, you're showing some pretty cool products here. NDI,
Thank you.
I think, is the big buzzword. Talk us through your workflow that you're showing.
So basically we've got NDI running with a NewTek TriCaster.
Okay.
So we're able to bring in lots of different sources over NDI. NDI enables you to put cameras up with just one cable. So it's really easy to deploy.
That's your power and everything.
Yeah.
Cool.
So we got it into the NewTek TriCaster, running the new Flex, which is also an NDI, so that's easy to set up as well.
Okay.
And we're switching video. That's basically what we're showing. We're also got the NewTek CaptureCast. Once you have your NDI system, it's great in places of education and for meeting rooms and stuff to actually preset recordings of your meetings or of your lectures. It's a lecture capture device, and you can upload that to Panopto and LMS systems.
Cool. And you're showing just behind you the very cool little NDI camera there.
That's right, yeah. This is NDI HX. So it's a cut-down version of full NDI. So it's more compressed, but it enables you to have better bandwidth, really.
Fantastic. John, where can people find out more information if they haven't managed to get to Salford today?
Yeah, absolutely. Just contact us via www.digi-box.co.uk.
Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed, John.
Welcome.
Do check out the website, check out all the NDI products and solutions that DigiBox can offer you. And for everything else we're doing, you can check out the videos on our YouTube channel. Just Google KitPlus TV.